Hello everyone, this is Xratios Investor. Please note that this video is for educational purpose, and please still do your own research. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. What's next for cannabis stock market after the legalization day? I have spent hours after hours to evaluate the current situation and absorb everything that had happened since then. Which brings me to the biggest talking points I want to talk about. I have seen many people asking me what's next, especially when we have people who are new to this market or looking to invest more into their position. I hope this video will provide you the answers you were looking for before diving deeper into the cannabis industry. Also, to my new viewers, if you haven't seen my latest video on why top cannabis stock is not a bubble, I gave a thorough research and insight that pretty much happened as I predicted in the short term and long term on the October 17th and beyond in the future on marijuana stocks. Now, let's move to the main talking point about Aurora Cannabis and Aphria. You might be wondering what's next for Aurora and Aphria, with the long-awaited news we have been anticipating? As we all know that Aurora Cannabis has officially been approved and will be listed on the New York Stock Exchange, trading on the October 23rd, under the ticker symbol ACB. We also have Aphria, filing for the Form 40F, intending to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange as well, and I expect Aphria to be listed by the end of October. While I am disappointed that Aurora Cannabis did not begin trading on the New York Stock Exchange at the legalization day itself, I still believe that it's an extremely important direction for Aurora and Aphria. You all might wonder how the listing can help Aurora and Aphria, but we first need to understand the importance of New York Stock Exchange listing. The New York Stock Exchange allows more institutional investor to buy shares into Aurora and Aphria, joining an established group of brands with improved access and exposure to engaged worldwide institutional investor audience. With Canopy Growth, Tilray and Cronos making their US listing debut way back this year. One thing I have observed is that the US listing did not boost the Canopy Growth and Cronos stock remarkably on their debut. For example, Canopy Growth opened at $30.85 on the New York Stock Exchange, before closing $28.20, a down of 6.66%. Cronos Group saw an initial increase of 10% only to finish the day with a decrease of 2%. Only Tilray saw an increase of 30% from $17, but there's a reason why only Tilray saw an increase on its debut. The reason to that is simple: Tilray's move is an initial public offering, while Canopy Growth and Cronos Group is not. Because Canopy Growth and Cronos Group already traded in the Toronto Stock Exchange, using the existing shares. Which makes me believe that Aurora and Aphria will see the same fate as Canopy Growth and Cronos Group, showing that people should not be over-bullish. Do note that using the past performance is a good indicator to gauge the market, but should not be followed entirely due to possible changes in circumstances. Although I must say that months later, Canopy Growth did benefit from the improved access and exposure from the US listing and skyrocketed a few months later due to the Constellation Brands deal. Which is why I believe that Aurora could get the same magnitude of a price rally as Canopy Growth, Cronos and Tilray, when a deal from big companies such as Coke and Diageo kicks in. What's more is that, the pot's demand have exceeded the cannabis market expectation. A GMP survey also found that customers appeared more than willing to part with their cash. I believe that this will provide bigger reassurance to the companies to invest in the cannabis industry. Looking at the bigger picture, I will be holding into my marijuana stocks position, and I hope to add more position as the market dips. Because I truly believe that Aurora and Aphria have the potential to hit $20 in the long term, possibly by December. Do note that speculation caused people to pay no attention stock valuation consideration, so please exercise the stock with caution despite my research and speculation. That's all I have for this video. Subscribe here for more stock videos, and give me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Till next time.